Welcome back to the show. The summer has now passed and it's time to check my progress with the Well-O2. And thanks for your patience. I was really happy to see that you actually asked for the second part. Now, the reason why this took so long is that I was gathering data for the summer, to be precise, from 3 months: June, July, and August. Now, from the calendar, you can see that I've been busy. I've been using it nearly every day. And when it comes to my running, I've been running twice a week, every week. Now, a quick recap what the Well-O2 is for. Basically, this is a breathing trainer. You simply breathe in and out. There is a small resistance which you can define from here. Then that will improve your lungs in a long run. I've used this device on the same pattern each day. 3 to 5 minutes per day and always at the same time of the day. Mostly I've been using the standard, which is the breathe freely, where you can just breathe in and out. And to support that, I've been using the program that is designed for athletes to improve your breathing capabilities. As I said on my first video, I believe that my running hasn't been improving because I haven't been able to get enough air in my lungs and I feel like I'm choking. So my hope is that this tea kettle would improve that. Now, before we get to the results, I have to point out that this isn't some scientific test. This is just something that I have done on my own and in my home. Just simple breathing exercise with the kettle and running freely around on different kind of surfaces. But no, let's get to the data. Now here is how you read the data. Each pylon is a separate running day, a separate run, and the number on top of the pylon is a kilometers that I've run then. So from this you can see that in past 3 months I did 24 running exercises.
Legendary.
As I mentioned, my first goal was to run 10 kilometers with the one instance. That I did actually achieve already in June, and I was able to improve that in August. And second goal was to run 5 kilometers under 30 minutes. This was a little bit more painful because, to be honest, I'm not really a speed runner. But at the end of the August, I was also able to pull this one off. I was able to run 5 kilometers with 28 minutes and 44 seconds. Personally, I'm really proud of that one.
Legendary.
And my third goal was to improve my Cooper's test results. If you don't know what a Cooper's test is, it's basically how far you can run in 12 minutes. First try was 2 kilometers and 50 meters, and that I was able to improve to 2 kilometers and 260 meters. It's not a huge improvement. As I said, I'm not a speed runner, but still it is an improvement. As data is beautiful, I did also make a graph about how much more I could run each month. Keep in mind that I did always run twice a week, but the distances were just longer. Okay, so based on the 3 months that I've been now actively using this device, I have to say that I am very pleased with it and the results. I feel that it is doing everything that it's promising to do. With daily use, I did not run out of oxygen and I was able to reach all of my goals. So if you are looking for a device that improves your breathing, I would totally recommend this for you. You don't need the Bluetooth add-on, but with this it's much easier to follow your progress and follow the programs. Okay, comment below if you wanna know more about this device, and also let me know if you feel that I should make another video, let's say about after using this device for 1 year or something like this, because I intend to use this daily from now on. It has been improving my breathing, in my opinion, a lot. Hey, that's about it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time.